According to Kashmir Media Service, it was on the 27th October in 1947 when the Indian troops had invaded Jammu and Kashmir and occupied it in total violation of the partition plan. APHC Senior Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement in Srinagar, appealed to all Kashmiris living across the globe to observe 27th October as a Black Day. As the United Nations Day is being observed across the globe today, Kashmiris are awaiting of the implementation of the World Body's resolution regarding the plebiscite. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said when the UN is marking 78th anniversary of its official founding, India continues to flout the Security Council resolutions on Kashmir. The 76th founding day of Azad Jammu and Kashmir is being celebrated today with a renewed pledge to continue the struggle till the liberation of the occupied Kashmir and its accession to Pakistan. According to Kashmir Media Service, the day was dawned in Muzaffarabad with the special prayers for freedom of the brethren in occupied Kashmir. A function was held at the parade ground where Azad Kashmir Prime Minister Chaudhry Anwarul Haq and Azad Kashmir President Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhry hoisted the national flag. Modi government has constituted a tribunal to get a legal cover for the decision to ban the Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party led by Shabir Ahmad Shah. According to Kashmir Media Service, the tribunal has been formed through a notification issued by the Indian Ministry of Home Affairs for this purpose. Azad Kashmir civil society members paid rich tributes to Zia Mustafa, who was martyred in custody by the Indian troops in Poonch district on this day in 2021. According to Kashmir Media Service, Zia Mustafa, a resident of the Rawalakot, Azad Kashmir, was languishing in the Kot Bhalwal jail, Jammu, since January 13, 2003 and was taken out of jail by the Indian troops and was killed in a staged-mannered encounter in Mender area of the Poonch district 2 years ago. Chairman Senate Sadiq Sanjrani has said that the resolution of Kashmir and Palestine issues is important for peace in the world. According to Kashmir Media Service, speaking at an international symposium on strengthening the diplomatic ties between neighboring countries in Beijing, he said, "We have to adopt a common plan of action to stop the genocide and human rights violations in occupied Kashmir and in Palestine."